sleep fine, babe. Honey, sleep fine. Ah, God. God. What is your problem?
What is it? Why did you wake me up like that?
You're snoring. You're snoring.
I'm snoring.
Yes.
Don't know why it's going on. I'm snoring.
Yes.
Oh, so you think I'm the only one snoring?
Yes.
You don't snore.
No.
You think so? Do you know you snore?
You lie.
You snore.
No.
I said you snore.
I say no.
Every time I wake up at the middle of the night, I find you snoring. Is it just because I don't wake you up?
Today I take courage to tell you that you're snoring all the night.
Okay. No problem. I understand. But I want to let you know also that you snore.
I say no. You
But
lie.
the fact that I don't wake up to tell you that you snore does not mean that you don't snore. You snore. How can you just wake me up at the middle of the night when I'm enjoying my sleep?
Because I want to sleep.
Look, I have work to do
You
tomorrow.
make too much noise.
Please, I want to sleep. Don't stop me again, okay?
Oh shit!
God.
Tomorrow morning, I think I have to go and see my parents. I am no longer interested in this marriage.
God, I want to break up. I am done with this marriage.
Ada mommy. Okay, but this one that you come, I hope all is well.
I want to break up with my husband.
What does it?
Oh, singing.
This morning.
You say what? Snoring?
Snoring all the night.
So, because of snoring, and you want to leave your marriage.
Nne,
Calm down. Stop it there. Hold it. See. So, wait. God, this woman, you are trying to spoil this girl.
my husband. Obim. I don't want to spoil our daughter. Did you hear what she just said?
You are doing it already.
She said her husband is snoring.
He's snoring.
Did you give me that? Oh, Jonah, si koko bogi. I don't yoko. Don't want. Oh, koyo zi lotaga.
Don't say I did not want you.
Dim. Obim. Elenya igeme yin na ni nwa mwanyi kwuru.
Okay. In order to solve this problem now, come. You understand?
Ogade mota.
Mommy, tell me now.
Mama, blanket. Ada mommy. Oyo nwa. Ndị oke kwuru sị ihe oke nọ n'ala na-ahụ nwata rigoro n'elu ọ rigoro ọsọ ya ọrịa n'elu ria ọ ga-ahụ ya. Don't worry.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you, Mom.
Oyo.
My daughter.
Yes. Daddy.
Just go home. Just go home. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Just go home.
Ekwenno. Chori kogboro m nwa m.
You are trying to spoil this girl.
Obi.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom. See you.
Di mama, I'm gwa gị na nwa m nwaanyị ma ihe ọ na-ekwu.
No.
Nwa m nwaanyị ma ihe ọ na-ekwu na di ya na agwụ ụra ka eji nọ n'ime ọhịa.
No, ask me when. What Obi? Just calm down.
I want my daughter to live her life the way she wants. Dim. Obi m. Ọ na mụ na gị shota wee biri anyị aga nọrọ ugbu a etu anyị nọrọ. Lekwa ahụ ọ na juru gị ahụ ọnụ white eji ole gị lee n'anya akwa bi n'udo ị na-agwọ ụra.
No. Calm down. Just calm down.
Nwa m nwaanyị obi arọ ya mma.
I understand. She's my daughter
She's
too.
not happy.
She's my daughter too. So you have to calm down. You know, we have to verify and know the reason and know who the fault is coming from. It might be true. It might.
Dima, ihe anya nwa m nwaanyị na-ekwu. Nwa m nwaanyị dị right na she's right in what she said.
It is true. No.
Dima akwa m gwara gị agwa.
No.
Akwa m gwara gị.
No.
Lekwe ule n'anụ nwa m.
How? No.
Ka anyị kpọrọ ya ka anyị lawa.
No. Just calm down. Stand up there!
Stand up from there!
What is it? What's it going?
Mom, Daddy. Doing here?
Yes, indeed. Both of you are here snoring, making noise. But you are complaining to your mother that he is the one snoring.
I'm even fighting your father. Trying to drag you to my place to come back. And look at, thank God I listened to Demo. If it's like this, me and your father is leaving, we will not stay this long. Thank God I listened to your father.
Mom, it's not true.
I was singing.
I with a video.
You see?
I with a video. We videoed it.
Mommy, it's on my husband. He's snoring.
What? Are you trying to say that your daddy is not saying the truth again?
No.
Hell,
Look,
watch the video.
look, if you are now complaining, you are telling me about your husband snoring. Why you also snoring?
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry.
No, you don't need to tell me sorry. Hey, talk to your husband.
Talk
No,
to your husband.
no.
Dim.
Let's go, please.
Oh, Dim.
Anna, Biko.
Akwe hono.
Ona?
No more ekwentị m.
No, Biko. Oyoyum.
Dim.
Bia, come, please.
So you see, I told you several times that you snore.
You don't
You're the only one snoring. So, oh wait, because of that you want to leave me? You want to divorce me? Oh, because of all this you went ahead to talk to your parents?
Sorry, honey. I didn't know that I was snoring. I didn't know. Sorry. You know I love you now.
It's okay. No problem. Let's sleep.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry,
It's
sorry,
okay.
honey.